Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to This Week at Linux.org. We've got some things to go through. We're going to go ahead and do some highlights from the site. We're going to give away a t-shirt. I don't have any little extra thing to go over today. Kind of running around a little bit today. I will go into what our next full video is going to be, where we kind of go through and show you tips or tricks or this or that. But for now, let's go ahead and get to the highlights. Let's go ahead and get me out of here. Like that. All right. So I hope you can see that. Looks like I'm sharing it. Let's go ahead and run the query script. Just a Python script that goes through, queries MySQL on the server, and then gives us a bunch of cool stuff to go over. First thing we're going to do is the top 5 threads by reply count in the last 7 days. First one is installing Linux. That had 54 replies. Now today's the 12th. That was only started on the 10th, so a couple days ago. This next one was also started on the 10th. How to install Firefox on Debian and other distros. That had 31, looks like. Could some countries restrict Linux for normal consumers? What would the restrictions be? What would the reaction be? How am I doing so well? 20 replies on that, 300 views. It's an interesting one. 195 VirtualBox on Linux, question mark. That had 19. And then the thread for this particular video, December 12th t-shirt giveaway, 17 replies on that, and I think we got 9 entries for the free t-shirt. So that'll be fun to do in a little bit here. The next thing is similar. It's the top 5 most viewed threads of the last 7 days. So previous one was top 5 threads by reply count. This one is top 5 by view count. We got This Week at Linux.org, which is the post about last week's This Week at Linux.org video. Installing Linux, we saw that one already, and the other one that had 735 views. How to install Firefox on Debian and other distros, that was in the previous one as well. That has 602 views. The thread for tonight's show, December 12th t-shirt giveaway, got 464 views. And the last one here, we got Zephyrus G15 2020 touchpad not working. That one got 458 views. I guess I should add the created at column to that. Anyway, top 5 contributors by post count. I don't see me on this one. We might just skip it. We got Condo Bloke with 67. We got KG3 with 50. Brick Wizard with 43. Wizard from Oz with 42. And Feed Me Bits with 39. Congratulations, Condo Bloke, for being the top contributor the past 7 days. This is the new one that we started last week. Top 5 members by reactions received. So that would be if somebody liked their response, so they gave them a thumbs up. Somebody else gave them the beer emoji or Neo or whatever. Anyway, they're all counted in this. Condo Bloke wins with 60. KG3 won with 55. I think he won last week. Wizard from Oz with 53. Feed Me Bits with 51. And Caffeine Addict with 46. So you know the people who are helping on the site the most by how many reactions they're getting, for the most part. Unless these all came from the off-topic section and they all posted funny things. You'll have to go look to figure it out. The top 5 most active forum sections. We have general Linux questions, which I would figure at 15. Off-topic with 6 new threads. Getting started with 4. Mint got some love this week. Got 3 new threads in there. And then Debian and Derivatives got 3 as well. Activity by day of the week. Which day was our busiest day? Try to guess before we roll it up here. It was Thursday. I can't remember what it was last week. It might have been Thursday. And then the weekend was a little bit down. Monday was the worst day, with only 53 posts. Activity by the hour of the day. So last 7 days, the busiest hour was 1400, 2 o'clock, 2 p.m. My time, which is Eastern Daylight, EDT. Nope, EST, Eastern Standard. Jeez, I miss the sun at night. There we go. Average response time to new threads, we got 43 minutes is the average. I think last week it might have been 37, 35, something like that. So gotta head the other direction. Total activity, total new threads was 55, and total posts and replies and things 627. It's pretty cool. New member count, 397 new members in the last week. And I do remember last week, I think it was the week before, was 365, because I remembered, hey, that's a year. And then out of that 397 new members, 24 of them actually posted. So you don't have to post, but it's a cool number to see here. Anyway, cool facts, right? Next, let's get ahead to. I guess all I have left is let's go ahead and do the T-shirt giveaway. So the entries we have this week: Brains, ironically, Condo Bloke, Huvianime, Tinfoil Hat, Deb User, The Duck, Sofa Surfer, KC1DI, and Pramod Study Freak. So there's 9 people there. So what this does, it just kind of does some fancy echoes saying like, hey, there were this many entries, picking a random winner, and then it does a random, if I can get out of here, pick somebody from the list. Ready, here we go. Boop. Picking a random winner for a free t-shirt. You got to pay for shipping. And it's Pramod Study Freak is the winner. Congrats. Nice. All right, so if you did not win, you just got to go to the site. If you want to buy your own shirt, go right here. There's a picture of me and a couple shirts here. And then you go to Admin Apparel, and that's where all of our t-shirts live. And you got tons of cool ones. So, Pramod, I'm going to send you a message through the site, and it's going to give you a link to the site with a code in it. You can go ahead and use that, pick out a shirt. You just got to pick up for shipping on that, and then you should be good to go. Now, let's go ahead and get rid of that, and I'm back. So, I didn't get a chance to do a regular video this week. I'm going to do it, hopefully I'm going to try to do it this weekend. We'll see what happens here. But anyway, we had done a video on using SSH keys last week. Why they're important. But for me, they're just super easy, and they're more secure than using a password anyway. Any of the servers I'm setting up, you can't put in a password anyway. I have the have that disabled. So anyway, you can use SSH keys, but also the next video is going to be how to use like a FIDO2 key. So this is a YubiKey. This one's like it's a USB-C. This is their YubiKey 5C NFC. It does NFC as well. But anyway, we're going to show you how to set up to use one of these for SSH. So just keep an eye out for that. So you got to subscribe to the channel so you get notified on that. And then do the bell thing, so it works out for you even better. But that's about it. That's all we got for today. come join us next weekend. I'll try to do them every Friday. Sometimes I end up doing them a little bit later and they end up getting posted on Saturdays. Keep an eye out on the site. See if we're going to give away another t-shirt next week. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.